County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 12:15 p.m. or 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:18 a.m. or 12:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Money to near St. Anne to near New Peston, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Rensselaer, Lamont, Hebron, Fowler, Kentland, Otterbein, Remington, Morocco, Wheatfield, Lake Village, Griffith, and Dyer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe